జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 10th చాప్టర్ విభూతి విస్తరయోగము 5th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ అస్, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ అర్జున. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ సేయింగ్ దట్ అర్జున, నాట్ హర్టింగ్ anyone is a quality, and showing equanimity is a quality, and being content, that is another quality, and according to scriptures leading a simple life and bringing down pleasures is a quality, and doing charities, getting famous and getting defamed, all these qualities, everything is created by me alone. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring all of his divine qualities and abilities. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanam yaso yasaha bhavanti bhava భూతానాం మత్త ఏవ పృథగ్విధాః. ఓం. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma disclosing greatness of Sri Vaikuntha Lokam to Devatas, saying that, O Devatas, those who are very fortunate, they will worship Sri Vaikuntha Lokavasi Srimannarayana, and they will definitely have very good character. They always will be singing the glory of Paramatma, singing the divine qualities of Paramatma. When they are singing, they will even lose conscious on their own body. To that extent they will be enjoying. That kind of fortunate devotees definitely reach Sri Vaikuntha Lokam after their departure from their body. After they reach Sri Vaikuntha Lokam, they will enjoy Brahmanandam. O Devatas. And as I said, there were 4 children. They are known as Sanaka, Sanatana, Sanandana, Sanatkumara. They have born even before you are born from me. What they have done is, one day with their yoga balam, they reached Sri Vaikuntham. After they reach Sri Vaikuntha Lokam, with the severe desire to see Paramatma, tasmin atitya munayaha shat asajjamanaha, they crossed 6 main gates, main prakaras. And when they reached the 7th gate, they have seen 2 Devata Murtis. How they are looking? Keyura Kundala Kirita Vitanka Veshau. Those 2 Devatas were wearing beautiful ornaments, crowns, garlands, and holding Gada in their hand. Both of them are in same age. And when those 2 Devata Murtis have seen these 4 children, Sanakadi children, those 2 Devatas were showing their kind of disappointment, kind of dislikeness while showing their gestures, facial expressions. But these 4 children, they did not care those 2 Devata Murtis. Without taking their permission, these 4 children now crossing the 7th gate to see Srimannarayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 10th చాప్టర్ 5th శ్లోక. అహింసా సమతా తుష్టిః తపోదానం యశో యశః భవంతి భావా భూతానాం మత్త ఏవ పృథగ్విధాః. అహింసా సమతా తుష్టిః తపోదానం యశో యశః భవంతి భావా భూతానాం మత్త ఏవ పృథగ్విధాః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.